has been my privilege to start the Department of Medical Oncology in Madras Medical College in 1971, the first in the country. After retirement, I thought I should continue to serve my people because my aim is to give a standard of care at an affordable cost.
VS has all along been known as a center of excellence for treating cancer patients and patients with bone and joint problems. Our strengths were oncology and orthopedics, and we were delivering this to the fullest of our potential. Patients who have been coming all along to VS have been asking us for quite some time when we were able to provide a very good care in both oncology and orthopedics, why we were not interested in doing the same in other fields of medicine. This set us thinking, and we finally decided that we should start providing the same high standards of care in other fields of medicine. This is the reason why we started VS Multi-Speciality Hospitals. In my experience while treating international patients, the two things that strongly came across my mind was they wanted to feel comfortable with the consultant and they wanted to be comfortable in their place of stay. So keeping this in mind, VS Hospitals has created a floor purely for international patients. The rooms in these floors have gardens inside. Most of the materials are made up of natural stones and natural materials which give it a very natural look. This floor also has a pantry catering only to the needs of the international patients coming from various countries. So the flavors of various countries are available here. We also have a prayer room to suit the needs of these patients. In VS Multi-Speciality Hospitals, apart from orthopedics and oncology, we deliver gastroenterology, both medical and surgical, nephrology, urology, pediatric hematology, oncology, plastic surgery, neurosurgery, head injury, spine deformities, bariatric surgery, cosmetic surgery, cardiology, pulmonology, and dermatology.
We are equipped with all the latest equipments in arthroscopy and sports surgery to handle patients from various countries. We also have all the international range of implants used for ligament surgeries. The latest surgeries what we handle are meniscal transplant, meniscal replacement, then collagen meniscal implantation, and various procedures, stem cell therapies of the knee, which are almost at 50% of the cost of what is available internationally.
I have around 25 years of experience in this field of surgical oncology. I am associated with the VS Hospital ever since its inception. And I do basically surgeries in head and neck, pelvic oncology, and all musculoskeletal tumors where we do limb salvage procedures, breast cancers, and gastrointestinal cancers. We are doing a pretty major type of surgeries like HIPEC for ovarian tumors, which would be after a good cytoreductive surgery, and all limb salvage procedures where we would like to save the limb in musculoskeletal oncological approaches. And we are well versed with all breast cancer surgeries and gastrointestinal surgeries. We have all the latest gadgets, in the sense a well-equipped operation theatre which could do all major surgeries including a 3-field lymphadenectomy, which we have been doing here. So I am pretty confident that this VS hospital would be a good hospital to give a care for all the team in respect to the international scenario.
At VS Hospitals, we follow a multidisciplinary approach to aesthetics. What I mean by multidisciplinary approach is a team of well qualified, internationally trained specialists in the field of plastic surgery, dermatology, facial-maxillary surgery and endocrinology analyze and each patient's problems and expectations and individualize the treatment plan according to their needs. In aesthetic surgery, the people who come for these treatments are actually not sick. They are actually normal people who want to enhance their appearance. So they feel more comfortable to stay in a place where it doesn't feel or look like a hospital. So this helps them to give more privacy. At the same time, lot of qualified specialists who understand their problem and along with world-class infrastructure gives them the best of all worlds together put in one place.
We are also going to start very soon pediatrics, pediatric intensive care and pediatric hematology and oncology.
The team of intensive care doctors over here are experienced and committed in providing good quality intensive care 24/7 across all different specialties in our hospital. In addition to this, we also have well qualified team of nurses, physiotherapists and dietitians who are conversant in English as well as many other foreign languages and thereby offer a very friendly atmosphere in our hospital.
Our experience here has been super. They've been so attentive, they've been so cooperative. We are short of words.
We basically concentrate on providing a safe and an effective drug regimen or therapy to the patient, and we basically work on with the doctors and with the nurses and other healthcare professionals to ensure a safe and effective medication and a speedy recovery.
Initially, we began 9 years back just as a very small department catering to very few patients who are attending the old VS hospital. But now, as VS expanded into the new facility, Keel Park facility, our laboratory also has expanded equally. And I can proudly say that Professor Dr. S. Subramaniam sir has given me the freedom to work on par with international standards, and I can also say that the reporting which goes on in pathology department is on par with the international standards for the benefit of the international patients who attend VS hospitals for their sickness and get treatment over here.
So our hospital runs a full-fledged standalone pediatric hemato-oncology center along with bone marrow transplant with expertise in pediatric oncology, pediatric hematology with support of pediatric intensive care, pediatric radiologists and radiation oncologists who concentrate on every child as an individual patient, and a therapy is tailored for every child.
Here the treatment is based on the genetic nature of the disease, and with all the latest technologies are being practiced in our setup. The facilities in our setup is on par with any center in any part of the world. Therefore, many foreigners are attracted towards our setup. The main thing is the compassion that we show, the care that we give is definitely an added factor for the patient's attraction to our center. In general, Indian doctors are more compassionate. They are also professional at the same time, and we give the best care to our patients.
VS Hospitals has delivered for over a decade care, cure and compassion with humbleness, honesty and humaneness. These are flavors which are essential for healthcare for every type of patient. For international patients traveling away from their countries in search of medical treatments, providing a home away from home is the essence. When this is done, half the treatment is over. Added to that, a world-class medical facility backed by exponents and super specialists in every field of medicine. VS is a complete package for international patients coming to India.